I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering and pairing the index controllers in a precise order so tracking and input behave predictably. First, charge both controllers above 50% and confirm your base stations are powered and visible. Next, open Steam VR and install any controller firmware updates. This fixes many tracking quirks. Once done, put a controller into pairing mode by holding System plus menu until the LED blinks, then complete pairing in Steam VR. Repeat for the other controller, and make sure Bluetooth remains enabled during the process. Once paired, you move to spatial setup and precise calibration so tracking becomes reliable. Place base stations high and angled about 30 degrees downward, ensuring their view cones overlap across at least half to full play area. Then run Steam VR room setup and set your play boundary and standing height. Accurate height reduces finger tracking drift. After that, fit the soft straps snugly. Adjust input bindings for primary buttons and enable finger tracking options. These steps reduce occlusion and give you consistent hand position and gesture response. To finish, you fine-tune inputs and learn quick fixes so sessions remain smooth. Recenter the controllers with System Plus trigger whenever drift appears, and if issues persist, rerun room setup to correct positional errors. Also check battery levels, update controller firmware over USB-C, and remove occlusion sources such as reflective surfaces or direct sunlight that confuse tracking. If a controller refuses to respond, unpair and repair it, reboot base stations, and use Steam VR Developer Diagnostics. This usually isolates hardware versus software faults quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.